Saturday football. The perfect opportunity to learn something new. Chijoke and Uchenna were really excited to see how this game works, and thankfully, people were patient enough to teach them.
Only in this line, only this line. When you play like this, you can take one.
You said?
Only don't play this line.
Kids. If elderly people see you doing this,
Yeah. When
It's not allowed.
he take and he can
But you
take
have
like
to learn
this.
it.
no, they see us.
As Ezenwa is telling me, it is not allowed for young kids to play this game.
Like this, and you don't want him to eat, you can make it.
Lucky for us, the rules in the diaspora are not as strict.
Understand? If then he can still play another one, but anytime it's open, he can eat.
So after a quick instruction, it was time for their first game.
Yes. They see, they try. This is how it works. Culture at its best. Uchenna. Who go finish who here?
And their father guided them on the way. And after a little practice, it was time to play against their father.
My name's Zeke.
Though he didn't win, he really got the hang of it and didn't want to stop playing. He even forgot he came for football.